Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss Bootstrap Popovers. Popovers are used to display additional information guys. Bootstrap popovers are used to display additional information when user clicks on an element. Okay, now let's have a demo and understand everything step by step guys. I minimize. Here I have my dash website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with a notepad. You can see default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo. If you want to create popovers, simply you go to Google and search for Bootstrap 5 popover. Click on the link. It takes us to popovers page. And if you scroll down, it explains how you can create popovers guys. It's very easy. First it is telling you how to enable popovers. To enable popovers, you have to copy this JavaScript code and add it to your page. You can see I have already copied here. I'm going to copy this script tag and paste before closing body tag. Okay, I'll just save this. And what it is doing, it is selecting the HTML element with the attribute data-bs-toggle equal to popover. It is selecting the HTML element with the attribute data-bs-toggle equal to popover and enabling popover feature guys. That's it. That's what it is doing. Okay, you have to add this code, otherwise your popovers are not going to work. Okay, saved it. Next thing, I'm going to create the popover button here. So you can see I have a code. I'm going to copy this code from here and paste it in my page. If I save this now, go to browser and reload, it creates a button with the text HTML, and if I click on this, you can see that we have a popover with the title set to HTML and content it is displaying HTML is a structural language. So that is popover guys. I'm going to explain a little bit more clearly so that you can easily understand everything what is happening here. Here we are creating a button. You can see opening button, closing button, HTML. So if I save this now, go to browser and reload, it displays a normal button. If I click on this, nothing is happening. You can see that. Okay, you can see here in the button few classes I am adding here. Okay, let's see. Class equal to btn. This is going to tell that Bootstrap it is a button. btn-lg, it displays the button larger size. btn-danger, it displays the button in red color. If I save it, go to browser and reload, you can see we got a red color button in larger size. If I click on this, nothing is happening. That's fine. Next, we are going to add attribute data-bs-toggle equal to popover. So this is the what we are using here to enable the popover feature. I'm going to copy that and paste here data-bs-toggle equal to popover. That is what we are selecting here. Okay, next thing is data-bs-title. So this is used to display the title in the popover. So let me add that data-bs-title equal to HTML. What should be the content? That we define with the help of data-bs-content attribute. And here I am telling HTML is a structural language. Copy that and I paste it here. So if I save now, go to browser and reload. If I click on HTML, you see that it is displaying HTML as a title. HTML is a structural language as the content. You can change this content guys. You can easily change the content anytime. You can simply copy this button. Let's say you want one more button. Simply paste the code and here I change the title to CSS and database content I want CSS is a presentational PRESEN presentational language, and here I change to CSS. Now let's say if you at present our popover is getting displayed on the right side. Let's say you want to display the popover below the HTML this button, then you will be using this attribute data-bs placement, and here you mention where you want the popover should be placed, at the top or the bottom, left, right. Okay, So I'm going to add this. I copy this code from here and add it to my page, data BS placement bottom. Here also I'll say data BS placement bottom. If I save, go to browser and reload, you can see one more button we have. If I click on HTML, it displays the popover bottom, right at the bottom. So HTML is a structural language. I click, it's gone. I click on the CSS, it displays the popover below the button saying CSS. CSS is a presentational language. So that is how you can create popovers easily, guys. You can read this documentation for more information, guys. It's very easy to create popovers in the Bootstrap. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Bootstrap 5 in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.